Has the U.S. Space Force moved to Alabama? No, the U.S. Space Force has not moved to Alabama. However, U.S. Space Command, which is a separate military command responsible for U.S. military operations in space, will be relocated from Colorado Springs, Colorado, to Redstone Arsenal in Huntsville, Alabama. This was officially announced by President Trump on September 2nd, 2025, reversing a decision by the Biden administration to keep the headquarters in Colorado. Key clarifications. U.S. Space Force is a new branch of the U.S. Armed Forces, established in December 2019, and its headquarters remains at the Pentagon in Arlington, Virginia. U.S. Space Command is a separate combatant command responsible for military space operations, e.g., satellite management, missile warning, space defense. In January 2021, Huntsville's Redstone Arsenal was already announced as a preferred final location for its headquarters, pending further approval. However, in 2023, the Biden administration canceled the move, citing concerns about military readiness. On September 2nd, 2025, President Trump formally reinstated that plan and announced that headquarters will now permanently move to Redstone Arsenal in Huntsville, Alabama. Summary table. Entity headquarters location status. U.S. Space Force, Pentagon, Arlington, Virginia, no change. Remains there. U.S. Space Command, Redstone Arsenal, Huntsville, Alabama, relocating. Announced September 2nd, 2025. Takeaway. If you're referring to the Space Force in your question, the correct answer is that it remains headquartered at the Pentagon. But if you meant Space Command, then yes, that command is being moved to Alabama as of September 2025.
Here at Flying Circus, we back the United States Space Force.